key to the game, in a nutshell, is offensive rebounding. Pitt did a good job of attacking the glass. We got to do a better job in the area. We got set 18 points off second chance offensive rebounding. I thought the crowd was great for us. Had great energy, especially when we made that last run with a minute and a half left in the game. Cam Tatum did a great job. First double-double in his career, which is impressive. The goal in practice is to really crash the glass and rebound. I thought he did a tremendous job getting 10 defensive rebounds. In the second half, Pitt made that run. I can't remember exactly what time they made that run. They got their heads up somewhat. They couldn't get those stops on the ball screen sequence. I think it was like 3 or 4 possessions. Kenny had one of his better games of the season. He was assertive on both ends of the floor. Thought he was aggressive. Did a good job attacking the glass. Dwight and Yumi did a good job giving us a boost off the bench, which was good. But I thought it was great for our guys to go against some of the best teams in the country. Your first 7 games to play teams of this caliber. And obviously we want to win these ball games, but I think it's good for our guys because you have to learn in order to move forward. I thought our guys did a great job of really battling and really defending for the most part. That's what I'm used to seeing on the defensive side of the ball. A physical, aggressive game. Rarely do you see a game with 2 physical teams defending at that level and not as many fouls being called. So I thought the officials did a good job allowing us to play. And I thought they was calling it right. So it's one of those fun games that I really to be a part of. Unfortunately, we came up short.
Coach, what do you think about that last play with Trey? Not the last play, but with the jump ball call. Do you feel that he kind of was trying to take the game into his own hands? Maybe should have passed the ball, maybe? Or?
No, we run a flat series where he's attacking off the drill, which was great for us. Unfortunately, got the charge, the jump ball call, but we wanted him to really attack off the bounce. And I guess Ashton Gibbs did a good job of getting his hands on the ball.